Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Windows 11 in settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To update Windows 11 in settings, begin by clicking the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. From the Start menu, select the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the Settings window, look for the Windows Update option on the left sidebar and click on it. In the Windows Update section, you will see the current update status of your device. To check for updates, click the Check for Updates button. Windows will now search for any available updates for your system. If updates are found, they will appear on your screen with an option to download and install them. Click the Download button to begin the update process. The updates will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, you will see an option to install the updates. Click the Install button to proceed with the installation. Depending on the size of the updates, this process might take some time. After the installation is complete, you may be prompted to restart your computer. If prompted, click the Restart Now button to finalize the installation. Your computer will restart, and Windows will apply the new updates during the boot process. Once your computer starts up, log back in to access your desktop. You can return to the Windows Update section in Settings to verify that your system is up to date. If no updates are available, you will see a message indicating that your device is up to date. That's how you update Windows 11 using. Following these steps ensures your system remains secure and updated with the latest features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.